I'm starting a big piece here. And this is how they begin. This is a 36 by 36. I've got my little sketch. I've got my reference photo. I've laid in my background. And now I'm going to start drawing. I'll check in with you in a little bit. Laid in my buildings. That was fun. And now I'm going to start laying in shapes. So basically, I'm just taking natural red and laying in these big shapes. It's really fun. Oh my gosh, this is the best part of a painting. Getting this structure in there. Isn't that great? Anyway, just basically scrubbing it in and kind of getting an idea of where this is going to be going. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's the wonderful thing about it. Because this is such a simple design, it's a lot easier to paint. I don't have anything really complicated. Basically just shapes, design, color. Okay, see you later. In my last little video, I was talking about this design being pretty darn simple, which it is. And that basically I'm working on shapes, color, design. But I forgot to mention values. And values are really the heavy hitters. I mean, you would think color's the heavy hitter, which it is. But values really carry the painting. On top of that, design work. So I've laid in my lightest lights, my darkest darks, and my mid-tones. And now I'll be putting in a few more highlights. Basically what I'm going to do is start laying this in. A nice big fat brush. And I'm gonna follow my horizon. Start laying that in. We'll see what happens. Good morning. It's been snowing here in Idaho. And it's about 10:30. I am looking at where we left off yesterday with this painting. I laid in some of the sky, and today we'll concentrate on more of that and highlighting those barns a little bit more. We'll see what happens.